this mean we can finally get started on making our own Japanese style fan?
It absolutely does, Tilly.
Woo.
I will be showing you how to do it step by step, so follow along with me if you can. I guarantee it's probably going to be quite easy, especially if you're copying me. But we're going to start off by firstly decorating. Now this is arguably the most important part, okay Tilly, you ready?
I'm ready.
What about you, Timmy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Right, so where should we start off? What should I draw?
Well, we talked about Mount Fuji, so maybe start there.
That's a
good
great
idea.
idea. Oh, thank you very much, Timmy. So here we go.
Remember, it's very, very tall.
Oh no, I haven't drawn it very big. Do you think that's okay if it's just a drawing? What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine.
Shall I colour it in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure, yeah, that's my favourite
Thanks.
colour.
So here we go. It's your favourite colour, Timmy?
Yeah.
Wow, I wonder how many people watching along at home have their favourite colour. That's blue.
I like purple.
Do you like purple? So what should we draw? That's purple, Tilly.
The fountain.
Oh, yeah, the fountain.
Ah, yes. Well, let's see if Georgina can draw this fountain. We're going to give it a good go, but don't worry. So I'm going to draw it like the blocks. What did they say about them again?
They have 3 wishes.
Three
Okay.
wishes.
If you
Wow.
drink out of one, you can wish for health.
Yeah.
Drink out the other, you can wish for fortune.
Okay.
That's it.
And then I think the last one was to be good at school.
That was it.
Really? Well, I'm going to be drinking out of the third one because I want to be always well behaved at school.
Oh, yeah,
So
me
that's
too.
my fountain drawn. Now, I think I might draw a tree of some sort.
Yeah, a tree with cherry blossom on it.
Yes,
Yeah.
cherry blossoms, Timmy. That's exactly what I was thinking. So here we go.
Cherries are my favourite fruit.
Really, Tilly?
Yeah.
Cherries. Yummy.
I think mine are blueberries.
Oh, I wonder what everyone else's at home is. Mine's strawberries.
Oh, I love strawberries too.
I just think they taste so yummy. But luckily we'll be able to talk about all nice foods in the next segment. All right guys, here we go. I'm drawing my cherry blossoms. What do you think? And be honest.
Ooh,
You look like an artist.
that's amazing.
Was that what you were going to say too, Timmy?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going
you
to say.
two flatter me. I hope you guys think I'm doing all right at home because I'm going to draw the sun. What do you think? In this nice yellow colour.
Yeah.
There we go. Woo! Whoa!
Oh, look at that.
That is a luminous yellow, that's for sure. You're not going to miss this, fan. I bet people from Japan can probably see it from here in Bournemouth.
I think so.
Do you think so? Now I've got to colour in one more thing to make it a bit more colourful. So do you think I should do a purple sky?
Purple sky, yeah.
Okay, well I'm just going to go all out. Here we go.
Wow.
Whoa,
Yeah.
Look
so
at
much
that.
purple.
I know, I'm quitting my day job, guys. I'm going to be an artist.
Wow.
Work out, I think.
Do you think so? Thank you very much, Timmy. Right, so now I've done this side, I think I should probably go on to the other side. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
you're going to be able to see both sides of the thing. But I think I'm just going to do some quick colouring, just maybe some squiggles or something.
quickly,
something quickly. Here we go. Right, there we go. Some pink squiggles, and then I'm going to do some blue zigzags. Very quickly.
Oh, very
Zigzags.
pretty.
I know. Right, folding it up. Here we go.
Wow.
Right, so this is really simple, guys. You just fold it very quickly. We're nearly done, I promise. I'm going to be as quick as I can because I'm getting a bit hot in here, I won't lie, guys. Very warm. So here we go,
So you can
nearly
use
done.
your fan.
Yeah, exactly. Nearly fold it at the bottom.
Oh.
Here we go, guys. Here's my fan. What do you think?
That's so cool.
I love how
So
mine's turned out.
I
I'm
wish
sure
I could
yours
see
looks.
everyone's at home.
I know. I'm sure yours looks beautiful as well. So send us your designs to our website, and we'd really like to see them, wouldn't we, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.